Hi, my name is Julia and I'm going to talk a little bit more about the Shape Your Career track. When you transition to the job market, there are always a couple of questions that pop into your minds. In which domain do I want to work in? What can I earn? Can I negotiate my salary? And if so, is that actually a thing when I'm just starting? But also, what does a contract look like? What are my rights? And also, what are people currently doing that have a similar background than me? These are the questions that we tackle during the Shape Your Career track. During 4 interactive sessions, we talk to professionals, alumni, and professors that help you tackle these questions. It gives you a better understanding of what you can expect. Think of workshops, panel discussions, informative sessions, but also a network reception afterwards. We also go a bit more practical. You can have your resume screened and a professional picture taken. In short, it prepares you for the job market, but it also makes you more confident when you start your application procedure. I hope to see you in one of the sessions. Bye!
I decided to participate to the Shape Your Career track last year because I really didn't know what I want. I don't have a clear picture of what career path I really want to take after graduation. Participating in the Shape Your Career track really helped me to understand and realize some things about myself. So one thing is I am capable of things that I really didn't know that I can do before participating. And second, it helped me give the cue of the path that I really want to take after graduation. For those students who are just like me, who still have confusions about themselves, who really didn't know what they want moving forward, I recommend you to participate in this track because it does not only give you a hint of what the professional life would be, but it will also help you understand more about yourself and what you really want in the future. So good luck!